The Galactic Council's routine assessment. In the vast expanse of the galaxy, the Galactic Council had long taken upon itself the responsibility of monitoring and guiding the development of emergent civilizations. Composed of representatives from the most advanced species, the Council sought to maintain a delicate balance between fostering growth and mitigating potential threats. Observer Xyla 42, a seasoned member of the Council's assessment team, prepared for yet another routine evaluation. Earth, a small blue planet orbiting an unremarkable star, was next on the list. Preliminary scans had classified the human civilization as harmless, their technological progress deemed average at best. Xyla 42 expected this mission to be as uneventful as the countless others they had conducted over their long career. As Xyla 42's sleek, silver spacecraft entered Earth's orbit, they couldn't help but feel a sense of tedium wash over them. The humans, like so many species before them, were likely still grappling with the basics of interstellar travel and quantum mechanics. The observer initiated the standard assessment protocols, their advanced sensors probing the planet's surface for signs of technological advancement. To Xyla 42's surprise, the first anomaly appeared almost immediately. The humans had apparently achieved quantum entanglement, a feat typically associated with civilizations far more advanced than Earth's current classification. Xyla 42 double-checked the readings, convinced there must be an error. Yet, the data remained consistent. Intrigued, the observer delved deeper into Earth's communications network, seeking an explanation for this unprecedented development. What they discovered defied all expectations. The humans, in their relentless pursuit of convenience and entertainment, had stumbled upon quantum entanglement while attempting to improve their internet connectivity. Xyla 42 marveled at the absurdity of it all. In the Council's long history, no species had ever achieved such a feat by accident. The observer couldn't help but wonder what other surprises Earth might hold. As they continued their assessment, Xyla 42 uncovered a series of similarly unconventional advancements. The humans had made significant strides in particle physics while trying to create a better coffee maker, solved complex mathematical theorems in the pursuit of optimizing video game algorithms, and even developed a rudimentary form of teleportation in an attempt to improve pizza delivery times. Earth's progress was as astonishing as it was unorthodox. Xyla 42 found themselves both fascinated and unsettled by the humans' unique approach to scientific discovery. It was clear that this civilization could no longer be classified as harmless. With a growing sense of unease, Xyla 42 compiled their findings, knowing that their report would likely send shockwaves through the Galactic Council. Earth's unpredictable advancement pattern posed a potential threat to the galactic status quo, and the observer knew that swift action would be necessary. As Xyla 42 prepared to transmit their report, they couldn't shake the feeling that Earth's story was only just beginning. The humans, with their peculiar blend of ingenuity and recklessness, were poised to reshape the galaxy in ways no one could have foreseen. The observers steeled themselves for the inevitable upheaval that would follow, knowing that the Galactic Council would need to adapt quickly to this new reality. Earth, once dismissed as a minor footnote in the grand tapestry of the cosmos, was about to take center stage. Xyla 42 could only hope that the Council would be prepared for the challenges that lay ahead, as humanity's unconventional approach to progress threatened to rewrite the very rules of the universe. Unorthodox advancements. As Xyla 42 delved deeper into Earth's technological landscape, the scope of the humans' unconventional advancements became increasingly apparent. The observer marveled at the sheer audacity of this young civilization, their boundless curiosity and impatience driving them to make leaps that defied all established norms. One particularly striking example of human ingenuity came in the form of a breakthrough in cold fusion. While most species had pursued this elusive technology through careful, methodical research, the humans had stumbled upon a viable solution while attempting to create a smartphone battery that lasted longer. The implications were staggering: a virtually limitless source of clean energy, born from the desire for convenience. Xyloth 42 sensors also picked up on a peculiar trend in Earth's scientific community. It seemed that some of the most groundbreaking discoveries were being made not by the planet's most renowned researchers, but by everyday citizens driven by a combination of curiosity and frustration with the status quo. A group of amateur astronomers, tired of waiting for their telescopes to capture clearer images, had inadvertently developed a revolutionary method for reducing atmospheric distortion. This breakthrough, initially shared on a hobbyist forum, quickly caught the attention of the global scientific community and promised to transform the field of astronomy. In the realm of medicine, a teenager's science fair project aimed at creating a more comfortable prosthetic for her grandfather had led to the development of a biocompatible material that could seamlessly integrate with human tissue. This accidental discovery had the potential to revolutionize regenerative medicine and improve the lives of countless individuals across the galaxy. As Xyloth 42 cataloged these and countless other unconventional advancements, a picture began to emerge of a civilization that approached problem-solving in a fundamentally different way. The humans seemed to possess a unique cognitive flexibility, allowing them to make connections and leaps of logic that would have been impossible for most species. This unorthodox approach to progress, while undeniably effective, also raised concerns for Xyloth 42. The humans' rapid advancement, fueled by a disregard for established norms and a willingness to take risks, had the potential to destabilize the delicate balance of power within the galaxy. The observer couldn't help but wonder how the Galactic Council would react to this news. Earth's unconventional advancements posed a challenge to the Council's long-standing policies and procedures, which had been designed to guide emergent civilizations along a predictable path of development. As Xyloth 42 continued to gather data, they grappled with the implications of their findings. The humans' unpredictable nature and rapid progress made them difficult to categorize, and the observer knew that the Council would need to act swiftly to address this unprecedented situation. With each passing moment, Earth's technological capabilities grew, and Xyloth 42 couldn't shake the feeling that they were witnessing the birth of a new galactic power. The humans, with their insatiable curiosity and unconventional problem-solving skills, were poised to reshape the very fabric of the universe. As the observer prepared to compile their final report, they knew that their findings would have far-reaching consequences. Earth's unorthodox advancements had set in motion a chain of events that would forever alter the course of galactic history, and Xyloth 42 could only hope that the Council would be ready to adapt to this new reality. The humans, once dismissed as a harmless footnote in the grand tapestry of the cosmos, were about to take their place on the galactic stage, and the universe would never be the same. Humans defy the norms. As Xyloth 42 continued their assessment of Earth, the true extent of humanity's unconventional approach to progress became increasingly clear. The humans, it seemed, were not content with merely defying established norms. They actively sought to challenge the very foundations of the universe itself. One particularly striking example of this tendency came in the form of a groundbreaking experiment conducted by a team of human physicists. In their relentless pursuit of understanding the nature of reality, these scientists had inadvertently created a localized space-time anomaly that defied all known laws of physics. The implications of this discovery were staggering. By manipulating the fundamental fabric of the universe, the humans had opened up a realm of possibilities that had long been considered impossible. Faster-than-light travel, time manipulation, and even the creation of pocket dimensions were suddenly within reach. Xyloth 42 couldn't help but marvel at the audacity of these human researchers. Most species, upon encountering such a paradigm-shattering discovery, would have proceeded with the utmost caution, carefully studying the phenomenon and gradually integrating it into their existing knowledge base. The humans, however, took a decidedly different approach. Within weeks of the initial discovery, teams of scientists and engineers from around the world had begun to explore the practical applications of this space-time anomaly, driven by a combination of curiosity and a desire to push the boundaries of what was possible. As Xyloth 42 delved deeper into Earth's scientific community, they discovered that this pattern of behavior was not an isolated incident. The humans seemed to possess a unique cognitive processing ability that allowed them to make leaps of logic and intuitive connections that would have been impossible for most species. This unorthodox approach to problem-solving had led to a series of breakthroughs that defied conventional wisdom. Human mathematicians had developed new branches of mathematics that challenged long-held assumptions about the nature of numbers and geometry. Biologists had created synthetic life forms that blurred the line between the organic and the artificial. And a group of DIY enthusiasts had even managed to create a rudimentary form of artificial gravity in their garage, using little more than scrap metal and a deep understanding of quantum mechanics. As Xyloth 42 attempted to categorize these developments, they found themselves struggling to fit Earth's progress into any known pattern of technological advancement. The humans seemed to operate on a different plane of existence, their minds capable of grasping concepts and making connections that defied all established models of cognition. This realization was both exhilarating and deeply unsettling for the observer. On one hand, humanity's unique perspective and problem-solving skills had the potential to revolutionize the galaxy, ushering in a new era of discovery and innovation. On the other hand, their unpredictable nature and willingness to challenge established norms posed a significant threat to the stability of the galactic order. As Xyloth 42 compiled their findings, they knew that their report would have far-reaching consequences. The Galactic Council would need to act swiftly to address the challenges posed by Earth's unconventional advancements, and the observer could only hope that they would be able to find a way to harness humanity's potential without unleashing chaos upon the galaxy. The humans, with their insatiable curiosity and unorthodox approach to progress, were poised to reshape the very fabric of reality. And as Xyloth 42 prepared to transmit their report, they couldn't shake the feeling that the universe would never be the same. Earth's reclassification and galactic panic. As Xyloth 42 finalized their report on Earth's unconventional advancements, they knew that their findings would send shockwaves throughout the Galactic Council. The observer had seen countless civilizations rise and fall over the course of their long career, but never had they encountered a species quite like humanity. With a sense of trepidation, Xyloth 42 transmitted their recommendation to the Council. Earth must be immediately reclassified as exercise extreme caution. The humans' unpredictable nature and rapid progress posed a significant threat to the galactic status quo, and swift action would be necessary to mitigate the potential consequences. The Council's reaction was swift and decisive. Within hours of receiving Xyloth 42's report, an emergency session had been convened, with representatives from across the galaxy gathering to discuss the implications of Earth's advancements. As news of humanity's unconventional progress spread, panic began to grip the galactic community. Species that had long considered themselves the pinnacles of technological achievement suddenly found themselves grappling with the realization that they had been outpaced by a civilization that had barely begun to explore the stars. Some representatives called for immediate intervention, arguing that humanity's reckless pursuit of progress posed a danger to the entire galaxy. Others, however, saw opportunity in Earth's unique approach to problem-solving, suggesting that the humans' unconventional thinking could be harnessed for the greater good. As the debate raged on, Xyloth 42 couldn't help but reflect on the profound impact that humanity's emergence would have on the galaxy. For centuries, the Council had operated under the assumption that progress followed a predictable path, with each civilization advancing along a well-established trajectory. The humans, however, had shattered this paradigm, demonstrating that progress could take many forms and that the universe was far more complex than anyone had ever imagined. Their unorthodox approach to science and technology had opened up a realm of possibilities that had long been considered impossible, and the implications were both exhilarating and terrifying. As the Council deliberated, reports began to filter in from across the galaxy. Civilizations that had once dismissed Earth as a backwater planet were now scrambling to establish contact, eager to learn from and collaborate with the humans. Some species, however, reacted with fear and hostility, viewing humanity's rapid advancement as a threat to their own power and influence. Rumors began to circulate of covert operations aimed at sabotaging Earth's progress, and the Council found itself grappling with the possibility of an interstellar conflict. Throughout it all, Xyloth-42 remained a voice of reason, urging caution and diplomacy in the face of mounting tensions. The observer knew that the path forward would be fraught with challenges, but they also saw the potential for a new era of cooperation and discovery. As the Council reached a decision, Xyloth-42 couldn't help but feel a sense of awe at the profound impact that a single species could have on the entire galaxy. The humans, with their insatiable curiosity and unorthodox approach to progress, had set in motion a chain of events that would forever alter the course of history. And as the observer prepared to embark on a new mission, they knew that the universe would never be the same. Earth's reclassification had sent shockwaves throughout the galaxy, and the humans' unconventional advancements had opened up a realm of possibilities that had once been considered impossible. The future was uncertain, but one thing was clear: humanity had taken its place on the galactic stage, and the universe would be forever changed by their presence. Humanity's invitation to the galactic stage. In the wake of Earth's reclassification, the Galactic Council found itself grappling with a decision that would have profound implications for the future of the galaxy. After much deliberation, the Council had come to a consensus. Humanity must be formally invited to join the galactic community. This decision was unprecedented. Never before had a civilization so young and unpredictable been granted a seat at the galactic table. But the Council recognized that Earth's unique perspective and problem-solving skills could be a valuable asset in the face of the challenges that lay ahead. As news of the invitation spread across the galaxy, reactions were mixed. Some species welcomed the humans with open arms, eager to learn from and collaborate with this unconventional civilization. Others, however, viewed Earth's ascension with suspicion and fear, worried that humanity's reckless pursuit of progress could destabilize the delicate balance of power that had long governed the galaxy. On Earth, the invitation was met with a mixture of excitement and trepidation. World leaders gathered to discuss the implications of joining the galactic community, grappling with the challenges of integrating human society into a vast and complex interstellar network. As the negotiations unfolded, it became clear that humanity's unique perspective and problem-solving skills were already proving valuable. Human diplomats brought a fresh approach to long-standing disputes, applying their unorthodox thinking to find creative solutions to seemingly intractable problems. In the realm of science and technology, human researchers began to collaborate with their galactic counterparts, sharing knowledge and ideas across the stars. The results were nothing short of remarkable. Within months, breakthroughs that had once seemed impossible were being achieved on a regular basis, as human ingenuity combined with alien expertise to push the boundaries of what was possible. As humanity took its place on the galactic stage, Xyloth-42 couldn't help but reflect on the